Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Giving discounts on every order can eat away at your margins. In this video, I will show you how to restrict discount based on cart value in Shopify. So your customers will get a deal when they spend enough. Before going to the video, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. If you need, you can check it out from there and follow along with me. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and then click on Create Advanced Coupons and go for the product discount option and click on Create Product Discount. Now we can have some title here. I'm adding 10% off as my title and I'm choosing it as a code in the discount method. I am copy pasting the same title as my code, and I can also combine this discount with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. And I can limit the number of time the discount can be used in total. If I'm giving 100 value here means this offer will be available for the 100 first customers. And I can also limit to one use per customer, which means this offer will be available for the customer only one time. Now comes the rules part. So here we are setting our restriction based on our cart value. The discount restriction based on our cart value we are setting up here in the rules section. So we can have multiple rules here by clicking on add new condition, and we can also make a condition like this code can be applied only when all the given conditions are met, and all either otherwise we can make a condition like this offer can be available if any of the given condition is matching. So these two tabs are specifically for that. For now, I'm making this offer can be applied if the all condition is got matched, and I'm adding my conditions here. So our intention is to restrict the users based on our cart value, right? So the total amount should be, I'm making it as greater than 2000. Okay, I'm not giving any more conditions here. Now I'm going to make a action. So on applying a discount, I'm planning to apply the discount for all my products. We can have it for applied in for say, a specific collection or a specific products. For now, I'm opting the first option. So the discount can be a fixed amount or a percentage. For now, I'm adding it for the percentage and I'm giving 100 amount as the maximum discount with the percentage of 10. So now all the setup has done. So we can save after adding all these changes. So I'm going to save the changes. I'm just checking whether my 10% off is got activated. Yeah, no, you can see that from the discount section, the 10% off code has been activated. Now we can test the setup in our online store. So I'm adding a product of worth 1350 and I'm adding our code here. So it says that it's not applicable. So the code is not applicable because the cart value is 1593. We have already set up the cart value should be greater than 2000. So this offer will not be available for this product. We can have some more products in our cart. I'm adding this product of 4200 to the cart. Now our cart value is 2450. So now you can see that the 10% off is got applied between these two products. Since we have set up our maximum discount amount as 100, this 10% of code make sure like the discount code is never exceeds the maximum discount code. So the 100 is split up between these two products as 47 here and the 52 here. So this is how you restrict discount based on your cart value in Shopify. And if you need any more advanced option beyond what I have explained here, you can always reach out to the support team from the app. They will help customize the app for your store's need. So if you're finding this useful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching.